Hi, it's Jenny Twomey from Green Towers, Ireland, from Cork, Ireland at Altius Farms. And I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to properly install your supply tube. Today we have the supplies. This is our keyhole punch, and this is our supply tube. And one quick tip is to make sure that you don't go too far into the poly pipe. So we're going to grab the keyhole punch and gently poke a hole in our poly pipe, just small enough. One thing to make sure is to not poke it too far into the poly pipe. Then take your supply tube with a bit of force into the first barb, and you can see just how the poly pipe goes up to the first barb in the supply tube. And now it's properly inserted. So when the supply tube is properly inserted, this will help prevent slow leaks, which waste water and nutrients. It's good for you and good for the planet. So if you like this content and you found it useful or helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can always find us at towerfarms.com.